Hello, this is the first in a short series showing how to connect DAP.LIVE data to your own website. This may be in the form of JavaScript widgets or feeds of some sort. We have researchers, we have universities, and we have industry who are all interested in how to connect feeds to their own website. We're looking at our own what we call DNSRF indices, which are available on the front page of our own website, dnsrf.org. These indices are sort of trade measures. These are things that are coming from DAP.LIVE and they're connected today now. And we're just going to show how we do that. This is actually something where we've taken a set of libraries from chart.js and we've actually managed to augment them, open source libraries, which we're not going to go into today, and connect them to feeds in the back end. So here we're just giving an overview of what these widgets are, and in the next few videos we'll be looking at how to do each widget. Just talking through the widgets, well, we're going to start with the top section, which is a set of just sort of key measures that are interesting to the domain name system industry. The total number of domains that are actually in DAP.LIVE that we're managing, 250 million at the moment. That's growing all the time. There are fluctuations up and down with the market. So here we can see that in the last day, there's been a slight reduction in number of domains in our system. And then a breakdown of those types of domains, whether they're new GTLDs, general top-level domains, or country code top-level domains, the number that you can explore in the DAP.LIVE system. The next indice is the top 50 TLDs in our system and the totals of those. An overview of sort of domain name growth, which is a linear chart. This is showing that there was a big dip in October and the delta over the last 7 days. Here we're looking at the top 100 popular domains. Some of you out there may know that we lost Alexa, the top 1 million websites in May 2022. We have another couple of raw data feeds that are feeding into our own measures for that. One is called Tranco, which is basically a combined list of domains, top domains that are derived from several sources, and they have their own filters in that which extract out what they call bad domains, domains that are not actually of any quality. We mix that with another indice which is provided by Google, which is the Chrome User Experience Indice, from data that they provide, and they put that data into 5 different buckets which are ranked by magnitude. We like to see those two together. Interestingly, on our site we're looking at the top 100 popular domains today as ranked by Tranco and comparing that with the bucket ranks supplied by Google. If we take a domain that we know well, netistrar.net, we have a small registrar that we operate. We know that that domain name is appearing in Tranco. It would be in the top bucket for Google. It's ranked at 181,000 in the top 1 million. It has no Chrome user experience ranking. The reasons for that we don't need to go into today, but they're interesting. We have our own thinking about that, and we could discuss that maybe in the comments. Finally, just going through some other reports, again, and other linear reports. We've got a malware reports by URL. Now, there's a big question as to whether malware reports should be reported by URL or the root domain. And also we have phishing reports by URL. And finally, rather than URL, you can also look at phishing reports by the root domain. A number of researchers like to eliminate root domains. Your view on whether phishing reports for root domains are like super spreaders or whether they're just kind of benign as domain names is interesting. But that's a drive by our widgets. For today, I'm going to meet with some engineers in the next videos, and we're going to start to unpack those widgets and look at DAP.LIVE data and how to build that piece by piece.